welcome back to my channel. This is Livia and today we are playing Piggy Book 2, Chapter 2 today with my BFF Krishnali.
Krishnali, just kidding, guys. I am Nivi, and the person who just spoke was Krishnali. So yeah. So guys, what she said was right. What? What?
Join the thing. Join the book 2. Intermission is starting.
Oh right. So guys, today we are playing the new chapter 2 of Piggy Book 2. I am so excited for this. If you are too, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and also turn on post notifications so you never miss a video from me. Now we are voting for Store, which is chapter 2. And I'm very excited. And also just letting you know that Krishnali and I have both changed our avatars and we bought it with Robux. So
Big bot. Sorry.
Yeah. So Krishnali got free Robux from one of her other friends, Advika. All because I bought one outfit from Advika. So then Advika got her Robux and then she transferred that Robux to Krishnali and now she changed her outfit.
And I love it.
And I'll explain the rest later.
Yep.
After this. Fine, but if we find any carrots, I'm taking them. So I forgot to read the cutscene like I always do. The cutscene. So next time I better read it. So guys, we are in the shopping center. And I don't know what the board of the shopping center looks like. Oh wait, what? Why is Pony walking? I don't understand. Why is he walking? I could move this shelf out of the way if I had some energy. So it looks like we have to feed Pony a carrot. And Piggy has woken up. And I wonder what the Piggy looks like in this map. We picked the bot. I wonder what the Piggy looks like. Oh wait, I found Krishnali. What the? Ah! Oh god. I think she's coming behind me. Wait, what? Yup. So guys, we just figured out what kind of animal the bot of this chapter 2 is. It's a deer! What? So guys, I died. And I don't know about Krishnali, so we're just gonna take a look. She's alive. Oh, you're right. She is definitely alive. Because, oh my god, she's also being chased by the deer. Oh my god. Yeah. Yep, the deer is there. Wait, what the? Scissors? Okay, so the bot of this map is a deer and I have died in like the first few seconds of the game because I am absolutely terrible at new maps. And this map is so crowded. Look, there is hardly any place to run, as you can see where Krishnali is running, right? There's hardly any place to run. And now she's currently being.
How many people are there in the game?
Wait, there is one boy, one girl, and another girl in the game other than you. So hopefully in the next round I'll get more used to the crowded space of the store map. So while Krishnali is doing that, we are going to take a look at. I heard there's some new skins of chapter 2, so we're going to take a look at those. So there are two skins. There is a Pandy uniform and there is Dessa. So it looks like Dessa is the bot of this store map. And Pandy, I really don't know where she comes, but I watched a YouTuber's video and according to that, Pandy is like coming. It's like our skin from book 1. Like Wait, where is it? Yeah, over here. See, guys. Wait, what? Ah, this thing is not moving.
Oh shit.
So, guys, you can see over here that pandy skin. So this is the similar one, only she's wearing something totally different. So she's like, so you can see this wolf in the background. That's Willow, and Pandy here is part of Willow's team of thieves and all. If you guys want to see more, hopefully in the next round I might escape the store and I can show you the ending cutscene of that. And now let's take a look how Krishnali is doing. Krishnali, how are you doing?
I'm doing pretty well. How many people are there in the game? Because I
Oh
wanna know
my.
that.
Taking a look, well, there is another boy other than you and he's literally AFK. Now he's not AFK.
Where?
In the parking area next to ZZ. Looks like the bot is literally chasing you.
I know. I wanna play ZZ. Where is ZZ?
ZZ is near the exit. I
Okay,
think.
got it.
Yeah, so that big area is the exit. Yes, Piggy's gone for 20 seconds.
Now I can go to the area which I forgot about. We need ladder.
You need a ladder.
Where do we get the ladder?
I really have no clue. Hey, there's a remote control. Is that useful?
Yeah, I know that. I'm gonna do stuff because you need control.
Wait, what?
Like one minute.
Wait, what did that do? I don't understand.
Oh, it just switches off the CCTV camera.
Okay, but hurry. I can see the bot is behind you.
I know that I just run the thing for him right now. Is it only me in the game? Oh no, there are one boy.
No, there is one more boy in the game.
Still, he's following me.
That's because the boy is totally gone somewhere else and you are literally right there.
Oh, so unfair.
Look. What the
What
bot?
is he doing? I'm just gonna go.
The bot is doing usual bot stuff. Whenever they can't find anybody, they're just usually staying in that one spot and jumping.
Oh. Now what do we have to do? Oh, we do have to find the ladder.
Yeah. So guys, while Krishnali is trying to escape, I told you guys I would be explaining about how she and I changed our avatar. So, like I said, she got it from a friend, another friend of hers. And I just happened to have 800 Robux. So I changed my avatar. And also I helped Krishnali get her avatar.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how we both changed. And I'm going to be playing, and this is also my alt account. This is my alt account, something totally different, like my other account. My original account, which I used to make videos with, is Nivi Friend Lover. But now, since I'm going to start using my original account, since it's a lot better. And my original account is Famous5 and 01. I was using my alt account Navy Friend Lover, which I called my original account when I was making videos for you guys. So yeah. And this is Krishnali's original account. She has an alt account, but she hardly plays with it. Right?
Yeah.
So the bot is literally gone over there. I can see the bot. And the bot is up, and I think she's going after the boy. Let me check. Yup, the bot is going after the boy. So let's go back to Krishnali, who is right here. And the bot is chasing her now. Oh my god. So guys,
I'm not able to find the ladder.
you checked in all the rooms? Have you checked in all the
Yes,
rooms?
I'm not able to find the ladder.
Well,
To get it from-
this is my first time playing the
Oh,
map, so I
now.
really have
I
no
know.
clue.
I will get I'll get the ladder right now.
Hurry, that deer is coming after you.
Me.
Yes, you. That's not the ladder. No! So guys, Krishnali is dead and we'll move on to the next round. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next round. Remember, we are going for batteries and getting out of here. Fine, but if I find any carrots, I'm taking them.
Let's do this.
Yeah. So guys, now I will be a lot. So now I'm going to keep my guard up. And wait. Yes. So I'm gonna go and look for things. And I think Pony's right behind me. Wait, where is Pony? Oh yeah, there he is.
He's not here.
No, look, he's literally walking.
Where?
Over here. He was literally walking.
Not walking. He's standing.
Arey, he was walking.
He did not.
He was, okay. So right now I'm gonna follow Krishnali because I'm really confused.
Wait, you cannot go there.
Wait, what? You cannot go through there? Ow, I'm stuck. So I really don't know where to go. Where to even start. Ah, I'm stuck. So looks like we need scissors here. Oh wait. I found a green key. Do we need that for anything?
No, we don't. Where are you, Nikki?
I am near this electronic area. Oh wait, I found you. Oh no, the bot is right there. I have to run. I don't want to die again. I can't move. I can't move.
Yes.
Oh god. Okay, wait, I'm back. I survived that freeze screen of mine. No, not again. I literally
keep on.
my phone is not letting me escape, yaar. This is so unfair.
Who's not letting you escape?
My phone.
What do you mean?
It is literally freezing.
You cannot.
Still, it's very unfair.
But I want to tell you one thing that I'm playing on my phone and sometimes suddenly some weird ad comes. You guys may be able to hear it, so please don't mind.
Yeah. And don't mind if my screen freezes as well because this is very confusing.
I just died like suddenly.
Wait, what? You died? Oh wait, yeah, I can see Krishnali's dead body. So looks like she and I are both failing in escaping, but hopefully in the next round we can escape, right?
Yeah, maybe, but now I have to go and now it's my study time. So why don't we
We will. Oh, okay. So I have an idea. How about we make a part 2 to this? We will be continuing this with a part 2 of Piggy Book 2 Chapter 2. What do you think, Krishnali?
That's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah. So guys, in our next video, we will be doing a part 2. So stay tuned. And
Yeah.
so unfortunately, that is all for today. I hope you liked the video.
Can I do the outro? Can I do
Don't turn it into the an outro, please.
Can I do?
Okay.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my.
Just why do I keep saying yes? Krishnali will always turn the outro into the an outro. So, I'll do the outro. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys!